So who is this guy?
Cole something or other. I don't have a last name.
We probably got an employee list from our home head. Let's see. Uh-huh. Cole Lang.
I'll find him, get some evidence, see what kind of person Home is harboring.
Hey, yo, T-Bone. I'm ready, man. I'm pumped. No, seriously. Hacktivist mode. Activate. Hey, man, how do we get Bloom?
What? Hold on to your joystick, son. You kids are gonna need to work your way up to Bloom, even with me helping.
Bray, are you briefing him without me? We were supposed to do that together.
No, I just didn't want to trouble you.
What trouble? No trouble. Come on, Marcus. Let's brief. Okay. So,
Let's look at the big shot data harvester, our friends at Noodle. Now, every time you search for a discount refrigerator or bulldozer pouring, they learn more and more about you.
Data profiling 101.
Right. But what you didn't know was that Bloom's already got their grubby paws all over that data.
Oh, shit. Oh, this is good, Satara. Noodle's data is just what Bloom needs to strengthen the bellwether. Dig their puppet strings in deeper. Yo, if we could get a hold of this ammunition, we could take down a whole lot of different targets.
I can help with that. You can't hack Noodle unless you get into the server farm. You can't get into the server farm without clearance. Hell, you can't even get on the grounds unless you're an employee there. Who the hell you think Rob Zombie over here gets his intel from?
Tell me you got clearance.
Oh, man, I'm trying to stay low-key right now. One of my leads is breathing down my neck.
I bet you Marcus can pose as an employee.
Oh, he could do more than pose as an employee, Satara. Tell him what you told me, Horatio.
Noodle buses. I snagged an exploit for credentials. I could get you to the buses. All you gotta do is drive it in. They'll think you're one of the bus drivers.
Shit. Yo, let's roll, son.
All right.
Hey.
Let's do this.
Hey.
Noodle is at it again. The search engine giant announced they will be acquiring yet another startup tech company. This time, it's InstaWheels. Noodle purchased the car-sharing startup for $750 million. The startup's future was already threatened by Driver San Francisco. But tech insiders say that with Noodle integrating its search and map functions into the InstaWheels sharing service, it will dominate the marketplace. This is considered a shot across the bow at Noodle competitors such as Invite, who has also been expanding its portfolio of startups.
All right. You ready? Let's roll.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, man, what's up?
No, I
Not much. What's new with you? Oh, you know the usual. See you around.
I punched in the parking lot for you. Driver leaves it there every day to get his coffee. Beautiful. All right, man. Let me just say right off the top, I apologize for anything and everything you're about to see.
You kidding? I'm getting an inside look at your alter ego, Horatio Carlin, corporate code jockey.
Why do I get the feeling this whole thing was a bad idea?
It's cool. I'll go easy on you.
Okay, now where's the GPS? Hey, sit down. I got. Man, come on. All right, just. All right, GPS. I know where the GPS is. Up. Got it.
There you go.
Okay. Hi, how you doing?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Hey,
morning.
how you doing?
Good, Gary.
Hey there.
Hey.
I want to be hot.
Horatio, what are you doing first on the bus?
What can I say? I'm an eager beaver.
Anyway, the juicing has really turned my life around. I feel lighter, my mind freer.
I hate to break it to you, but juicing doesn't do squat.
You haven't tried my juice.
I'm serious. What you want is the pulp. That's the healthy part. Juicing extracts all that. All you're drinking is sugar, smoothies. Now that's where it's at. Load them up with fruit, veg, superfoods.
Superfoods.
Yeah, like goji berries, maca powder, all that good stuff. You have a lot to learn.
You know the science behind superfoods is shaky at best.
Well, they're health foods. You can't argue that.
Yeah, but goji berries are... Anyway. Yeah, but goji berries are as much a superfood as grapes are. It's a marketing buzzword designed to rope in consumers. No offense.
Awkward.
You know, Marcus, there are times when I wish I was out doing what you're doing. And then there's today.
Thanks, friend. I'm freaking choking on the pretentiousness in here.
And here I thought Bloom employees were bad.
Oh my God, this is brutal.
Hey.
Hey there. Stayed late last. Anyway.
Yeah, and the catering made me want to puke. I'd rather starve next time. This new sushi place is so not up to par. The soy sauce was so bland.
My spicy tuna roll was anything but.
Oh man, that is literally.
That's not right.
As I was saying, oh man, that is literally the worst.
take it easy. Okay, so,
My spicy tuna roll was anything but.
oh man, that is literally the worst.
Literally?
I could think of some worse things.
I want to be high too.
Yo, Horatio, man, I'm scared, bro.
Well, what is it?
Don't nobody look like us.
Oh, man, welcome to Silicon Valley. Hey, what do you call a black man surrounded by thousands of white people?
What?
Mr. President?
Hey, man, they see two of us together, they gonna think we plotting.
We are plotting.
Okay. Man, I feel so exposed.
Horatio.
Yeah, welcome to my world. There's only 3 other black people that work here. 2 guys, 1 woman. We have our own mailing list.
That's rough. But hey, you're fighting a good fight, changing the face of corporate life in the valley.
You haven't experienced corporate life until you're the only brother in a meeting and have to represent all of blackdom.
Jesus.
If I had a nickel for every time someone complimented me for being well-spoken.
So where's the server farm?
Not here, I'm afraid. The whole thing's located under the Noodle Maps building.
Hey,
You'll need a whole
Horatio.
other level of clearance to get in there. The managers upstairs can take care of that for you. Just do a repeat performance of the bus hack on one of them, and you're good to go. Let's hit the kitchen. Need fuel before another day of drudgery. Hey, do you want a coffee?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, please, help yourself to a pomegranate. There to die for.
You're so great. Thank you so much.
Okay, neato.
Carlin,
Brody.
big day today, huh? I'm excited. How about you? You know, you could just tell us what you've been up to, where you've been looking, who you've been talking
Trying to
to.
get a coffee, you little shit.
What was that?
Just trying to get a coffee.
Yeah. Yeah, all right. I'm sure you'll be more forthcoming with HR. Enjoy that coffee. Watch it! Are you new here?
Yeah.
Punk would love to lay his ass out. I can't stand that mother. Hey, Becky.
Gentlemen.
He's been watching my ass since the day I got here. Now he's saying I should be more forthcoming with HR?
You think he's got something on you?
Damn it. Do you have any idea how much jail time I'd be looking at?
If I can get into the server farms, I can delete all that shit, all right? We got your back. You're not going in jail. I'll be in touch. All right?
All right.
All right.
Pomegraples.
All right, Horatio, what's the plan for getting to the Noodle server farm?
Best option is the elevator maintenance area on the 2nd floor of Noodle Maps, but watch yourself. Security's tight. Even I don't have access.
No sweat.
If you don't mind.
Not, right? That's what you do. If he looks at you, fuck. If he's not looking at you, you're not. Yes, sir. You don't smile. Hey, do not say fucking boo all.
If I flag,
Thanks for your
I could
participation.
take that
Cool.
value and input and apply it globally. Oh, no.
Greetings to you. Hey, how are you doing?
You've been randomly selected.
Remember to help yourself to some noodle gear in the lobby.
Now.
I guess I should go see HR and find out where my desk is. I can't believe this is my
Hey, man.
job now. This is my life now.
Wow.
No time for screwing around. Got to get to work.
Taco day. In a hurry, pop by a noodle bite.
This will be painless, I assure you.
fine weather we are having.
Shit.
What is it?
My pretty face ain't getting me as far as it used to.
I'm shocked. I guess you're gonna need a high-level access ID or find another way in.
Apologies. I didn't hear you. Oh, huh? Alright. What the fuck is this? Yes. Very well. Sorry. Of course.
Go ahead, what were you saying? No worries.
Aren't the grounds of Noodle incredible? Spread out and find him.
Welcome to the Noodle campus.
Keep your eyes open.
Trail's cold for now. Greetings to you.
How you doing?
Hello. Fine weather we are having. Bye. More than half of our power needs come from Welcome to the Noodle campus. Hi there.
Hey, what's up?
Fine weather we are having. Aren't the grounds of Noodle incredible?
All right, I am now Miss Laura Kim. How do I get into Noodle Maps?
If you've got her ID, you should be able to just walk right in.
Okay, guys, straight up, the hackerspace needs a slide.
Kinda hard to have a slide on just one floor.
Let's work on that. Vertical expansion.
Noodle Map security don't fool around, so watch yourself.
Hey, this is Laura Kim you're talking to. Elevators. Ratio, do these go to the server room?
Yes, but not for you. Facial recognition. Very advanced. Get to the maintenance access area instead. You know, like we planned.
All right, all right. Excuse me,
Please move along.
I'm sorry?
We're discouraged from fraternizing with employees. Please move along.
I was just gonna ask where the bathroom is, but okay.
You don't know? Are you authorized to be here?
Hey, you're not supposed to fraternize. Move along.
down!
Seriously, bro, take your time. No pressure.
Keep it together, Ratio. I'm almost at the elevator shaft.
Track him down!
My systems are operating optimally.
Yeah, he's gone. We're shutting down here.
Nothing to report.
You catch that? Hey!
Bleep, beep, bloop.
Synthesizing an...
systems are operating optimally.
Spread out and find him. Go! Fan out! Looks like he slipped by. Better call it in.
Shh!
What was that?
Would you allow me to scan you? Compiling data.
Oh, hey!
Thank you for your patience. Cool.
The impact it's had on... Hey, you're not allowed here.
This is totally ridiculous.
Scan is complete. Hey. Hey, what's that? There, that...
Status all clear. Greetings.
Be advised, we have reports of previously identified target near your location. Over.
Explosives.
John, disregard. Friday, 10847.
Okay, tell me those weren't gunshots, and tell me they didn't come from you. She's hit!
Sorry, you're breaking up. No, it's still...
Hi.
Wait, what was that? Happening?
Catch that? Oh!
Seriously, bro, take your time. No pressure.
Keep it together, Ratio. I'm almost at the elevator shaft.
Nothing to report.
Live alarm. Location set.
Intruder within
Need a
security
1013.
perimeter. Warning. All units.
Alarm has been triggered. Sending mobile operatives.
Check your corners!
Elevators. Ratio, did these go to the server room?
Yes, but not for you. Facial recognition. Very advanced. Get to the maintenance access area instead. You know, like we planned.
All right, all right.
Keep those lanes clear!
Control, we have a possible target in your area.
Okay, tell me those weren't gunshots, and tell me they didn't come from you.
I hope you said your prayers. Dispatch to squad. Be on alert. Possible hostiles near your location.
Verifying target.
Hey, bro, I've gotten to the elevator. Horatio?
He's gone dark. Hold on, we're trying to find him.
Satara, it's a dead end. I need Horatio's code to get into the server farm. Any luck finding him?
Got his GPS, but he's not responding. I'll patch you in now.
The keystrokes on your computer is evidence enough to put you away. I want to hear you say it. You have no idea how happy it'll make me to hear you say you fucked up. Look, man, I don't want to be the bad guy here. Here's your reality just between us. You will go to jail for cyber terrorism. That can't be avoided. But if you cooperate with us, maybe you'll get a reduced sentence. So why don't you just start talking to us and save us all some grief? What do you say, my man? Fine. You do you, snitch. I can wait all day. The hell? I always hated those things. It's kind of cute, though. No. So, God, that's annoying. No, don't touch it. All right, just leave it. All right, it'll turn off on its own. All right. Maybe.
You don't know a damn thing about me, man.
What? Did you want to confess?
Confess? What?
Let's talk when you're ready to confess. Sit, this place is a freaking circus. This IT morons better do something.
Down outside Yasmin's office. You hear this? You wired everything in the building to the same network down to the frickin' toys. You think you can stop it all from going haywire? Yeah. Okay, and here's a hot tip. Don't apologize. Just get it right in the first place. Yeah. You think? I know. Uh-huh. Really? Oh, Yasmin, hi. We've been
know Horatio Carlin needs a very serious accusations that you've been making. I have prepared a secure room.
Well, the evidence speaks for itself.
Mr. Carlin, I'm going to ask you to follow me.
You're the man, Horatio. Hang in there. No, not this one. Nope. This is it. They got things wired up pretty tight here. That's it. Noodle's data is now DedSec's data. I'm out of here, but Horatio's still in the spot. Can one of y'all help a brother out?
We have access to every workstation in Noodle, including Horatio's. And this Brody guy. I'm almost done sorting it out.
Well, let's see it.
All right, done. Let's see how Horatio's doing.
I'm sorry you chose not to cooperate with us. I would highly suggest you seek legal counsel.
Yes. You tracked the keystrokes? I see. Thank you. Mr. Carlin, I am so sorry. Apparently, we've made a huge mistake.
What a surprise.
My apologies. You are free to go.
I'm just glad you finally got it right.
Whoa, this is a mistake. I mean,
Mr. Goodale, take a seat.
I don't think.
Sit down.
Ratio, that was intense. You good?
I'm better than good. Where you at?
Meet me out front at the Noodle bus. Hey, I'm in a massive cooling room. Any ideas on how I can get out of here?
Yeah, I got you covered. There's a drainage conduit at the back that should take you into an exterior access.
Nice, thanks. You swapped out Horatio's keystrokes with Goodale's?
Nobody gives our Horatio a hard time and gets away with it.
That's real crafty, Satara.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Yo, how's the transfer going?
It's gold, Marcus. Gold.
Bloom's definitely tapped into Noodle's pipeline. They've even given Noodle limited access to their content.
I'm all for singing Kumbaya, but this shit's got Dushan written all over it.
For Bloom and Noodle to be cooperating like this, it's a major find. But it scares the fuck out of me.
Oh, come on, guys. Noodle ain't that bad.
What's up, Horatio?
Hey, enjoy the dump, but save a beer for me, all right, Wrench? Right now, I've got some code. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate everything you did for me.
For sure.
But right now, can you get the hell out of here? You're making people nervous. Oh, hey, did you try Palmer Grapple? It was good, right?
You look like someone with a lot of valuable information. Now, tell me everything you know about DedSec.
Huh.